friends, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your own hand sanitizer at home using stuff around you. What you need is just 3 or 4 ingredients to make your own hand sanitizer. So guys, without further ado, let me show you how you can make your own hand sanitizer at home. So here are the ingredients you will need. First, here is my aloe vera. I got it from my garden. But if you don't have the fresh aloe vera, you can always buy the gel at the pharmacy, aloe vera gel to use. Here is one of my essential oil, castor oil. You can use castor oil, tea tree oil, extra virgin olive oil. Me, I'll be using 2 essential oil. Here is extra virgin olive oil. I'll be adding. So here I have my glycerin. So for those who cannot lay their hands on glycerin, you can always do it without glycerin, but the most important ingredients in this hand sanitizer is your rubbing alcohol. Here's my rubbing alcohol. Make sure to get the one above 70%, at least above, so it works better. So here's my rubbing alcohol, and here's just the can I'll be putting my hand sanitizer after making it. This is the bowl I'll be using to mix it. So now let's get started. So first, I'm going to put a good amount of rubbing alcohol into my bowl. Make sure your rubbing alcohol is more than all the other ingredients because it has to be concentrated. I know some people use only rubbing alcohol, but to some it's very sensitive on their hands. So hence the reason for adding essential oil and aloe vera. Yeah. So I'm going to pour in my rubbing alcohol. A reasonable amount, but I want it more than the other ingredients. And also, yeah, for my aloe vera, you can always blend it after removing the juice. I'll show you how to remove the juice now. You can always blend it in your blender to a smooth paste, or you can match it depending on however you can do it. That's why some people actually prefer the aloe vera gel, because that one comes smooth already. Taking out the gel now, you see, I want to blend it. I want it to be smooth. I'm not going to use too much because, like I said, the alcohol, the rubbing alcohol, has to be much more than the other ingredients. So I move the amount I want. I'll blend it. So here is my aloe vera. I blended it. Add it inside. So here is my glycerin. I'm going to add any bit of glycerin. Like I said, the alcohol concentrate must be more than the other ingredients. So here is my essential oils. Just going to add drops of it inside. My extra virgin olive oil. Next, I'm going to stir thoroughly, mix together. I want to add in a bit more alcohol because, like I said, I want it really concentrated so it can kill bacteria. So guys, as you can see, it's better you do this at home rather than going to buy some, because I learned, especially in my country, we started doing fake hand sanitizers. So what is the use of you going to buy hand sanitizer and doesn't do the work it's supposed to do? Take a spray bottle or a can, anyone, just find something. See mine? See, you can easily on your hand. So I'm going to pour it in now. Guys, let me pour it off camera so I don't throw it. So guys, I poured it in. This is my hand sanitizer. I'm going to cover now. And this. See? That is it. It does the work perfectly, guys. You see it? Perfect. See? Not sticky, nothing. Perfect. So do your own hand sanitizers at home. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.